You're tuned into Rome Tech. Hit that subscribe button and smash the like if you find this information helpful. We appreciate your support. Nexo has recently announced important updates regarding its services for UK customers. Following recent regulatory changes in the United Kingdom, Nexo is taking proactive steps to ensure it remains compliant with evolving financial regulations. These measures are designed to safeguard the interests of its users in the UK while maintaining the high-quality services Nexo is known for. Specifically, Nexo is adapting its platform to meet the requirements of the UK's financial landscape. The company emphasizes its commitment to both regulatory compliance and providing a seamless experience for its UK clientele. These changes are a testament to Nexo's dedication to operating within the legal frameworks of the regions it serves. The company is actively working to implement these changes smoothly and efficiently, minimizing any disruption to its users. Furthermore, Nexo is committed to transparent communication throughout this process. Users are encouraged to stay informed about these adjustments through Nexo's official channels, including their blog and other communication platforms. This proactive approach allows Nexo to continue serving its UK customer base while adhering to the latest regulatory standards. By prioritizing both compliance and user experience, Nexo aims to reinforce its position as a trusted and reliable platform in the ever-changing world of digital finance. Nexo remains dedicated to keeping its users informed and ensuring a smooth transition during this period of regulatory adjustment. These adjustments demonstrate Nexo's commitment to long-term stability and responsible operations within the UK financial ecosystem. They underscore the importance Nexo places on maintaining a secure and compliant platform for all its users. Nexo's proactive response to regulatory changes showcases their adaptability and commitment to providing a sustainable and reliable service for its UK customer base. They are continually monitoring the evolving regulatory landscape to ensure ongoing compliance and provide the best possible service. This dedication to maintaining a compliant and robust platform underscores Nexo's commitment to its users and its long-term vision in the financial technology sector. For more detailed information, be sure to check out the original blog post linked in the description below.